Hey Janet. It's been long time we had a walk alongside the beach.
Yeah, Christy. Having nice time after so long. What's that in your hand, Christy?
My dad got a bracelet printed in my name.
Wow. How did he get it printed?
He designed it on a computer and gave the design to nearest 3D printing shop.
That's great. I will ask my dad to get it done for me too.
Where had you been, my little girl?
Had been to beach with Christy, Papa. She has got a new 3D printed bracelet, Papa. Is the 3D printer same as the printer we have at home?
No, my little girl, it is a different one. A 3D printer doesn't print normal text documents on a paper. Instead, it prints a real-life model that we have designed on a comb. It does not use an ink cartridge as we use it in our normal printer. Instead, it uses filament made from materials such as plastic, rubber, or even metal. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing technique, where the printer adds materials layer by layer.
What are the applications of the 3D printer, Papa?
It has a wide range of applications, my girl. In the medical field, they use a special biological material to print human internal organs like heart, kidney, bones, and skin. They have sent a 3D printer to the moon, where astronauts use it to print a moon base. Just imagine, a moon base. We can even print automobiles like a car using 3D printer. Different parts can be separately printed and then assembled to make a car. 3D printed houses can be printed using huge 3D printers. Recently, an eagle got a replacement for its broken beak. It is used to print prosthetics like an arm that helps people without an arm.
Wow. Papa, you have been telling a long list. I just went into a deep imagination. I think there is nothing that cannot be except food, I think, Papa.
Yes, my baby. There are 3D printers that can print food as well. Food such as pizza.
Papa, you have been telling everything good about 3D printer. Tell me if there are any disadvantages of it?
Yes, my girl, the disadvantages are that anything we imagine can be printed. Hence, some people can misuse it to print objects that are illegal.
Illegal? What are the things that are illegal, Papa?
People can print unlicensed firearm and explosives that creates hazards to common people.
Papa, I didn't know you were such an expert in 3D printer. Now please, Papa, can you design a 3D guitar for me and get it printed?
Sure, my little girl. First, let us learn how to design it. Let's party, Janet.